What's up everyone, welcome to another video. We're going to start using the Masterbuilt MES 440 series digital electric smoker. We're going to put the temperature up to 275 degrees. Yeah, you're pretty much maxing on the lower element we'll be using, okay? You're going to set your smoke level to a 3, and it's going to be about a 1.5 to 2 hour smoke here. Okay, now we're gonna put in a couple of Hickory Masterbuilt brand wood chunks. That'll help power this baby up. Alright, so for this little section here, I went ahead and opened up a complete package of bacon and completely separated it. I maybe overlapped it about a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch on itself. That way this pan that I'm putting here is able to catch all the drippings and, you know, make it a little bit more manageable for cleanup. And right below it, I also put a whole packet of already smoked sausage. So this is already cooked sausage. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more of a smoke. Okay, so while the bacon and the sausage is smoking, I diced up about 1/2 cup of onions, a little bit of butter, sauteed them until they're nice and translucent. The whole bacon and sausage thing is going to take about 1.5 hours, maybe at 275 degrees total temp. So we'll be doing this in the meantime. So after about 1.5 hours, 2 hours, our sausage looks nice and plump, and so does the bacon. We're going to go ahead and take those out, let them rest enough to where the wilted bacon is starting to harden up. After, you know, a few minutes of it cooling down, it'll harden up. So far that bacon looks really good. It's got that color that I'm looking for, a nice even color on itself. Now that we have the bacon and the sausage cooled down, we're just going to chop it up, as well as the sausage and the third meat, which is in this case pulled pork that is left over. We're gonna go ahead and mix everything together thoroughly, make sure all the chopping is nice and chopped as it should be. Then we're gonna actually go ahead and throw everything on a crock pot, as you can see here, and we're gonna warm it all back up. And all those extra juices from the bacon, the sausage, the pulled pork, all those fats and greases are gonna combine really well with the sauteed onions. So it's gonna give it a beautiful medley of aromas of different kinds of meats, the sweetness from the onion, the bacon, the sausage, the pulled pork. So you're gonna get a whole lot of smell from this pot here. Okay, so this is a optional item. You could put in a dash of bourbon to give it that unique flavor besides all these meats. In this case, we'll put a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this down to go ahead and eliminate the alcohol and give it that awesome flavor that bourbon gives specific types of food. We are now going to add about 5 to 6 cups of ranch style baked beans. You could use pork and beans if you like the really sweet stuff, but this time we'll be using the ranch style beans. Go ahead and mix everything up really well. After you have it mixed up really well, you're gonna go ahead and let it set here and simmer with the lid on for about 15 to 20 minutes until you feel, you know, everything's nicely mixed in and all the aromas are fully released. Alright, lid on. 15-20 minutes. After that time, it should be all set to go ahead and turn off on the stove and spoon directly on your plates. Look at that. Now, does that look good or what? This is your 3 meat barbecue beans here. Looks really good. This in itself is a whole meal, and sure as heck is a dish that'll fill you up from start to finish. I mean, you got your proteins in there, you got your veggies. I mean, this is a family favorite so far since I started doing it. So go ahead and try it out and let me know. how it turns out for you. It's really tasty. Pair it up with your chicken, barbecue chicken, brisket, pulled pork, whatever you want on the side. In this case, I paired it up with some smoked leg quarters that are in a different video. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Take care.